SiteCoursePro. Make money with the SiteCoursePro. SiteCoursePro allows you to create a completely automated done-for-you e-learning course affiliate website. It is loaded with 185,000 e-learning courses under 200 categories in just seconds. All you need to do is just enter your affiliate IDs and choose your niche. SiteCoursePro will do the rest of the work for you. Most people want to quit their job. People are looking to upgrade their skills by doing online courses. Knowing fully that profit for websites is through the roof. When you combine the profit potential of affiliate marketing and online course, it is mind-blowing. Creating a course affiliate website is a daunting task. It takes time, money, blogging posts, hosting, and domain. It requires complicated web designer skills. Don't worry, I have a perfect solution. SiteCoursePro software makes it easy. It is a one-click app that creates a completely automated online affiliate websites in less than 60 seconds. Click on the link in the description of this video and find out more. Share, like, and subscribe to this channel Smart Software TV.